Hi friends, in my channel I am going to provide now all the lucent Indian history questions. What questions? Indian history questions and Indian polity, Indian polity, as well as Indian economics, Indian economics and Indian geography, Indian geography and science and technology, science and technology. So these all questions I am going to provide in my channel. So you have to, what you have to do, you have to purchase this book. I am not having any connection with this book. So first we have to, what you have to do, anyway you have to get the concept, that is my point. So you have to either you purchase or you take some print or somewhere whatever you do. But what you have to do, once you have to read a hard copy, then what you have to do, whatever video I am here showing, that before I will mark, you have to tell yourself what is the answer. So it will be like a test for you. And whenever you are seeing and listening and you are visually you are seeing, your brain and your mind at a time it will work. So that you will be able to catch the answer in an exam also, you won't be confused. Okay, so that's why I am providing this all. So all the exams, SSC, CGL, railways, TSPSC, okay, all the state government exams, APPSC, all exams, okay, UPPSC, all exams, these are very important book is this one. So what we'll do, in parts we'll do like 1 hour video. How much we can finish, those many we can finish. Okay, now Indian history, first chapter is Harappan civilization, that one we'll see. Okay, now see, 1 minute. Harappan civilization, first question, the Harappan civilization was discovered in the year, that is in the year 1921. So which year? 1921. Next question, Lothal is the site, Lothal is the site where the dockyard from which of the following civilization were found. So which civilization was found? Where? Indus civilization. So Indus Valley civilization, there Lothal was found. This is the dockyard. People of Indus Valley civilization usually build their houses of, they will use pakka bricks, like in square shape will be their house, and their windows never be in the side of the road. Okay, so pakka bricks you have to remember. Indus Valley people traded with, they will trade with which people? Mesopotamians. So they are the tribe of group of people, the Mesopotamian. With them they will be trade means they will do business. Indus Valley civilization was non-Aryan because it was urban, it was completely urban, and Aryan was completely rural. That's why all the following statement regarding the Indus Valley civilization are correct, except it is difficult to say to which race the people are belonged. So this is the Indus Valley correct. Expect means who can say that Indus Valley civilization was advanced urban civilization. Yes, this is the correct. Iron was not known to the people. Yes, it's correct because they know only the bronze. The people and copper. The people know nothing about the agriculture. Okay, so this one also correct. Local name Mohenjo-daro is very important question. Mount of Dead. So many exams they asked it, but they didn't give here. Mount of Dead. Whatever I am teaching, that much only is enough for exam, but you have to see all the videos so that it is very helpful for you. And you like my channel and you subscribe my channel, so that you all the videos you will get at the free of cost, and you can happily you can see the videos, all the videos, and that much is enough to clear the most of the exams. Okay, Indus Valley civilization was specialized in, they are specialized in town planning. The town is very pakka plan. The famous figure of the dancing girl found in the excavation of the Mohenjo-daro was made up of bronze. That's why they know bronze, they don't know the iron. Which of the following animal was not known to the Indus Valley civilization? They don't know the giraffe. Which of the out of the following remains excavated in the Indus Valley, which one indicates the commercial and economical development? So they will use the seals. Now whatever seals we are using nowadays also, Indian government, like that they will use some seal, and whenever they will sell something, that container will contain some seal, like rectangle seal, triangular seals, some seals will be there. They will made up of some material. Next, 12th question. Okay, Harappan civilization, this period to this period. Now reading we are questions. The earliest city discovered in the India was Harappa. Okay. Which of the following Indian civilization site gives the evidence of dockyard? That is the Lothal. Okay. Which of the following statement regarding Harappan civilization is correct? The inhibition of Harappa grow and used cotton. Yeah, they used the cotton. They are the first people to know till now in the world. They used the cotton. Advanced water management system of Harappa times has been unearthed at Dholavira. So Dholavira, there is a dam is there. So we found this kind of information. And Mohenjo-daro movie also, if you see, you can see there is a dam will be blast. Okay. So that is the Dholavira. Which of the following places remains of a wells have been found in the houses belongs to the developed stage of the Indus Valley civilization? That is Mohenjo-daro. Okay, in their remains of wells has been found in houses, means in their house itself there is a one well is there, and it will be containing all the four side what steps will be there. Archaeological finds from the Alamgirpur in the Ghaziabad district reflected the Vedic culture. It is reflected the Vedic culture. Cotton for textile was first cultivated in, I told you na, India, and that was found by produced by the Indus Valley people, means Harappan civilization. Rock cut architecture in the Harappa culture context has been found at Dholavira. Rock cut. Rock means on the rock they will made some instructions. Consider the following statement and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. 1 and 2 is saying, so means Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Ropur and Kalibangan are the important places of Indus Valley civilization. As correct. Harappa people developed planned cities with a network of streets and drainage system. As correct. Harappa people did not know use of the metals. No, they know the metals. That's why they made the seals. They are some different metals and they know the bronze. They are the first people to know use the bronze. Next, 21 question. Okay. Which of the following was not known to the Harappans? So they don't know the construction of arches. Arches means like Taj Mahal is there, na? Like that. The arches how to make, they don't know. That means carved shape. The copper carat of the Harappan times was discovered at, means Kirita. Kirit called as a, it will keep on there like a helmet. It's a Daimamabad. Okay, copper carat of the Harappa times was discovered at the Daimamabad. So you can remember this is the Kirit, on head they will keep. On this one there is a one diamond you think, so diamond Daimamabad, like that you remember. Which of the following site from where the famous bull seal of the Indus Valley civilization was found? Indus Valley civilization, there is a bull seal is there, on that one their bull animal figure is there, that is found from the Harappa. Who discovered Indus Valley civilization? Very important, Dayaram Sahni. Which of the following animals was not represented on the seals and terracotta art of the Harappan civilization? So which of the following animal is not found? It is the cow. Next, the match the following. First one is Lothal. Lothal where is there? Already we did this question. Dockyard. Kalibangan what is there? Plowed field. Okay. Dholavira what is there? Just now we studied Dholavira, an inscription comprising the 10 large sized sign of the Harappan script. Okay. Banwali what is there? Terracotta replica of the plow. There is a plow replica they found. Okay. From Banwali. Okay. This one you have to remember. Okay. Next question. This much only, na? This one only 2 questions. Huh? 21, 26. Okay. 26. Next 27. So this much is 27 is there. So with this 26 is there. With this chapter is finished, and this chapter is what? Harappan civilization. We finished Harappan civilization questions. We finished. Total 26 is question. Harappan civilization very big. In the part they divided. Now Vedic culture. Second one is Vedic culture. Who was the first European to designate Arya as a race? Max Muller. Very important. So Aryans as a some race means some really this one race means there is a kind of tribe. So who told that one? Max Muller. The staple food of the Vedic Aryan was their milk and its products. They will normally their basic food is milk and its product. Battle of the Mahabharata is believed to be have been fought at the Kurukshetra for how many days? 18 days. Okay, it's fought for 18 days. Which of the following stage of the life of man in the Aryan society in ascending order of the age is correct? Ascending means small to big. Okay. So that is Brahmacharya, Grihacharya, Vanapasya, Sannyasa. Means initially while birth till 10 year or 11 year they will be Grihacharya means they will be there in the house. After that Grihacharya. Brahmacharya means they won't marry till 20 years. Grihacharya. After that they will get their kids and they will happily live their life. Vanapasya. After that they will went to the forest and they will do some tapasu like that. Next sannyasa, they will mix in the sannyasa in the fourth stage. Like that will be there in the Aryan time. Who among the following wrote Sanskrit grammar? Panini. Very important. Who wrote Sanskrit grammar? Panini. So after yes, what will come? P will come. So you remember SP. No. So SP means Superintendent of Police. Like that you remember. Which river has no mention in the Rig Veda? Periyar. Okay, the remaining rivers was mentioned. So assertion reasoning is not needed for our exam point of view. Which of the following is the major impact of the Vedic culture on Indian history? Rigidification of the caste system. Means the olden days the caste system is very effective. So the lower caste people even not allowed in their houses and not allowed to give give the even the water also. They will think that if you drink in their bowl the water also, there will be untouchability they will feel. In which language was the Sri Bhagavad Gita originally written? Sanskrit. Okay. Purushukta is found in the Rigveda. Purushukta. Hymns of a Rigveda are the works of many other. So hymns of Rigveda are the works. So hymns of the Rigveda are the many others. Government of India has decided to declare which of the following river as a national river? That one you know, Ganga. Okay. Patanjali is well known for the compilation of the Yoga Sutra. Patanjali. That's why Baba Ramdev always do yoga. That's why he give the Patanjali. So you remember like that yoga. Baba Ramdev will do yoga and his product is Patanjali. The god who is most prominent in the Rigveda is Indra. Rigvedic god Varuna was guardian of cosmic order. Nivi, Paridan and Advisa were the different type of garments of the Aryans. Okay. Pinini, the first grammarian of the Sanskrit language in the India, lived during the period 6 to 5 century BC. That's why 6 to 5 back it is going. The words Satyameva Jayate in the state emblem of the India has been adopted from the which of the following? Mundaka Upanishad. This is taken from the Ashoka. Okay. Upanishads are known as books on philosophy. Expounder of yoga philosophy was, just we know, yoga means Ramdev Baba means Patanjali. The great law giver of the ancient times was Manu. Which law? Manu law in the ancient time. Word Gotra comes from the first type in Rig Veda. Gotra means caste. Which of the following is the distinctive features between the Nastika and Astika system in India? Believe in existence of God. Nastika and Astika. Nastika means they won't believe in the God. Astika means they believe in the God. Existence of God. So we did till 23rd we did. Next, 24th. Nyaya Darshan was propagated by Gautama. Nyaya Darshan was propagated by means introduced by Gautam Buddha. Astadhyayi was written by Pinani, and Pinani was the Sanskrit grammar written. The literal meaning of the word Arya is superior or high birth. Manusmriti mainly deal with laws. Means like how now how articles will be there in India, like that laws will be there. Purusha Meda, that is the male scripture, is referred to in Satapatha Brahmana, so male sacrifice. Who composed the Gayatri mantra? Vishwamitra. So Gayatri mantra is Vishwamitra is composed. Author of Nyaya Sutra was Gautam. So already we did here. Nyaya Darshan or Nyaya Sutra is Gautama Buddha. The word Aryan means of a good family or high birth or like that. Quality. 4 Vedas contains an account of the magical charms and spells. Atharvana Veda. The religion of early Vedic Aryans were primarily of worship of nature and yajnas. So, in Vedic Aryans are primarily of a worship of nature and yajnas. So now we finished this whole question. Which question? Vedic culture questions we have finished. These are chapter wise. See, ancient history only we are reading. Ancient history itself nearly 1500 questions will be there. Once you finish this all, then it will be all sentences together. It will make you some sense. Okay. Next, Mahajanapada period. Okay. Mahajanapada period. The Indian king who opposed Alexander was Porus. Ancient name of North Bihar was Vajji. The ancient India, the earliest capital of Magadha kingdom was at Rajgir. Okay. The earliest capital means first capital of Magadha kingdom in ancient time. What is that? Rajgir. When Alexander invaded India, who was the ruler of the Magadha? That is, Nandas are the ruler of the Magadha kingdom. Which of the following rules of Magadha was the contemporary of Alexander the Great? Dhanananda. So he is opposed. Where was the seat of the first republic of the world in the 6th century BC? That is Vaishali. By which ruler Pataliputra was chosen for the first time as a capital? Pataliputra, Udayin. So Udayin is the ruler. List of 16 Mahajanapadas as is available in Angutar Nikaya. Which was the first capital of Magadha? That is Girivaraja. Okay. Who founded Pataliputra? Pataliputra who na? Udayin. Already we did here. The Pataliputra was first chosen for the first time as a capital, Udayin. Who founded the Pataliputra also? Udayin. By whom the first republic of the world was established in the Varanasi? Vaishali. That is the Lichavi. As the following: Todya, Udayana, Prasenjita, Ajatashatru, Magadha, Vasta, Avanti, Kosla. Very important. King and kingdom belongs to. So 3, 2, 4, 1. 3, 2, 4, 1. 3, 2, 4, 1. So see, Pradyota is belongs to Avanti. Udayana, Vasta. Means Vaishali, you remember. Prasanjit, Kosla. Ajatashatru, Magadha. So many times came. So these are the very important questions. All are already came in the exam. So out of these questions, if you all prepare this question, 50 to 60% question, these question directly will come, because these are combining of all the exam questions. Each early ruler of the Magadha murdered his father to ascend the throne, and in turn was murdered by his own son. So who is that? Ajatashatru, that much killer. The Magadha dynasty in the chronological order. First Harangas, after that Nandas, after that Mauryas, after that Sungas. Mahajanapada, situated on the bank of river Godavari, was Asaka. Asaka. Who was the founder of Nanda dynasty? Mahapadmananda. Mahapadmananda. Nanda dynasty founder Mahapadmananda. So once you read this what a concept in some book and once come here, then it is very helpful you. It will like a test for you. Which of the following dynasties was ruled over the North India at the time of Alexander Invader? Nanda. So whenever Alexander is came, the dynasty in the North India, the dynasty was ruled by the Nandas. Who among the following not any contemporary of the other rulers? Milinda. Between which of the following was the ancient town of the Takshashila located? Indus and Jhelum river. There is a Indus river, there is a Jhelum river. In between what is there? Takshashila University is there, and this is the oldest university in the world. Next, religious movement, part 2. The part 1 we found, now part 2 some questions. Okay, very important. This one will finish. Some how many questions are there? 72 questions are there. Okay, no problem, we'll finish. Religious movement, part 2. Where did Lord Buddha breathe his last Mahaparinirvan? Means he died. Kushinagar. So you remember whenever he died, some people are happy. So that is Kushi. Where was the world largest monolithic statue of Buddha being installed? Bamiyan. Where? Bamiyan. Next, which among the following is the sacred book of the Buddhist? Sacred book of the, so Tripitaka. It's called as a Tripitaka. Buddha meaning enlightened one. Enlightened means already you know. Name the clan Buddha belonged to the Sakya dynasty. In which state was the Nalanda University was located in India? Bihar. Nalanda University, Bihar. Mahavir was born in 6th century BC at Vaishali. The religious literature of Jains at the early stage was written in Ardhama Gadi. Which of the following place is associated with Jainism? Pava. Here match the following. You can see this one. Abhidhama Pitaka, Suddha Pitaka, Vinaya Pitaka. Very, very important question. These all are. Once I will see the answer. 10th. D. Okay. So 10th D, basically this one is the answer. So Abhidhama Pitaka means 4, matter of the psychology and metaphysics. Suddha Pitaka which deals with matter of the doctrine and ethics. Vinaya Pitaka, rules of monk order. Mahasanghaikya is a member of the great community. Who was the author of the Buddha Charitra? Who is the author? Ashwagosha. Who is also known as Nighanta Nataputra? Vardhamana Mahavira, Nigantha Nataputra. The principle that distinguishes Jainism from Buddhism is attribution of soul to all beings and things. Buddha lived approximately at the same time as Confucius. Approximately at the same time as Confucius. Some king, some person. Buddha's preachings were mainly related to purity of thought and conduct. Purity of thought and conduct. The third vehicle in the Buddhism was known as Vajrayana, which stated is called the cradle of Buddhism, Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following was contemporary of Gautama Buddha? Vardhamana Mahavira. Gandhara school of art came into existence in Mahayana sect. Next, the content of life of Buddha. The correct chronological sequence of these places is Lumbini, his birthplace, Bodh Gaya, Sarnath, Kushinagar, he died. So 1, 2, 3, 4. With reference to Indian literary works, what is Digha Nikaya, an important Buddhist text in Pali? So Buddhist texts are written in Pali language. It is like snake. So how they will write? Like snake. From left to right to left. Consider the following statement. This 2 and 3. Jain religious literature were written in Ardhama Gadi. Mahavir admitted women into the order of his followers. Which of the following is not included in the eightfold path of Buddhism? Right desire. Where did Gautama Buddha delivered his first sermon known as the Dharma Chakra Pravartan, that is turning of the wheel of the law, that is Sarnath. Match the following. Birth of Buddha, that is second one Lumbini. Next, enlightenment, Bodh Gaya maybe. Yes, correct. Bodh Gaya. You got enlightenment on Bodhi tree. First sermon, just now we did. First sermon, Sarnath. Death of Buddha is Kushinagar. So that one we know. That one not needed. Consider the following statement. Branches of Buddhism literature. What are the branches of Buddhism literature? 1 and 3. Pitakas and Jataka. These two are the branches of the Buddhist literature. Who among the following taught the doctrine of Shunyata, Sunyavad? That is Nagarjuna. Who among the following kings was an ardent follower of Jainism? Who is that? Karavela. Who among the following who is given the credit of carrying Jainism in South India? Bhadrabahu. In Buddhism, who does Patimokkha stand for? The ruler of Sangha. Who among the following is not common in Buddhism and Jainism? Non-violence. The first Buddhist session was held in which of the following cities? Rajagir. Mahavir Jaina breathed his last at Pavapuri. Means he died. Mahavir Jaina. Pavapuri. And Buddha Kushinagar. Some people are happy like that, you remember. Gautama Buddha is elevated to the position of God by the time of Kanishka. Mahabodhi temple was been built at the Bodh Gaya, where Gautama Buddha attends enlightenment. Chinese traveler Hyun Sang studied at the University of Nalanda. Where was the third Buddhist council held? Pataliputra. Where was the Mahavir Swami born? Kundagram. Kundagram. Which of the following places is considered a Jain Siddha Kshetra on account of his association with the Parsvanath? That is Samit Sikar. Buddha was born at Lumbini, that is died at Kushinagar. Consider the following statements and select the difference between the Chaitya and Vihara. So Chaitya and Vihara. Just 1 minute, we'll see the answer. 42. 42 is A. 42 is A. So that is Chaitya is place of worship, whereas Vihara is the living place of Buddhist saints. Okay. Next, this one is no needed. The doctrine of three jewels, right birth, right conduct, right belief, right conduct, and right knowledge, is the crowning glory of Jainism. So Jainism is saying this. Vikramashila Mahavira, a great center of the education, was founded by Dharmapala. Lumbini was the birthplace of Buddha, is attested by an inscription of Ashoka. Sarnath is a state of Uttar Pradesh. Vikramashila Mahavira was established by the ruler of Pala dynasty, and that king is Dharmapala. Buddha attained Mahaparinirvana in the Republic of the Malas. Bodhi tree, what he got? Enlightenment he got. Dharma chakra is first station. Horse is renunciation. Lotus is birth. So this is the first one is answer. Next, this is not needed. Which of the following propounded that destiny determines everything, man is powerless? Ajivakas. Lord Buddha preached the following four noble truths. Put them in the correct order using the quotes given below. First one, there is suffering, there is cause of suffering, there is cessation of suffering, there is a path leading to cessation of suffering. So like this, suffering, then why you are suffering, what is the cause, means who is responsible for that suffering, cessation of suffering, and the path of leading to cessation of, and which path, what are the mistake you did so that it is leading to suffering. Who among the following is known as the light of Asia? That is Lord Buddha. Syadvad, the theory of maybe, is the doctrine of Jainism. Stupa site, which is not considered with any ancient of Lord Buddha life, is Sanchi Stupa. Prabhasgiri is the pilgrim spot of Jains. Who is said to have become the chief of a Jain Sangha after the death of Mahavira? Who is that? Sudharma. Jivaka, a royal physician of the Rajagir, was son of Ganika, named was Salavati. The fourth Buddhist council was convened during the reign of the king Kanishka. Tripitaka was written in Pali language. Name the last Tirthankara. Mahavira. Who among the following presided over the Buddhist council held during the reign of Kanishka at Kashmir? Vasumitra. An ancient Indian Buddhist monastery, the ceremony called as the Pavarana used to held. It was the 65. It was the 65B. It was the confession by the monks of their offenses committed during their stay in the monasteries during the rainy season. Okay, monasteries ceremony called Pavarana used to be held. It was Pavarana means what is that? Basically, Pavarana means basically this is their whatever committed offenses, whatever mistakes they did, they have to confess them in the rainy season. Consider the following statement. So all are correct. Vardhaman Maharaja's mother was the daughter of the Lichavi chief Chetaka. Gautam Buddha mother was the princess from the Kolya dynasty. Parshvanatha, the 23rd Tirthanka, belonged to the Banaras. Okay, correct. With respect to ancient Jainism, which of the following statement is correct? Jainism enjoyed the patronage of the Kalinga king Karavela in the 1st century BC. Consider the following statement. So only 2 is correct. The Pala rulers of the eastern India was patrons of the Buddhism. Pala rulers. Anakantava Veda is the core theory and philosophy of which of the following? Jainism. Anankanatha Veda. Mahamastaka Abhisheka, a great religious event, is associated with and done for who of the following? That is Bahubali. Next, why did Buddhism start declining in India? Only one. Buddhism was by the time considering as one of the incarnation of the Vishnu and thus become a part of the Vishnuism. Lord Buddha's image is sometimes shown with the hand gesture called the Bhumisparsha Mudra. It symbolizes Buddha's calling of the earth to witness his purity and chastity despite the temptations of Maya. So with this we finish 3 parts. In third part 2 chapters are there. Now we are going to see the Maurya dynasty. So that much is enough for your exam preparation. You have to do whatever the chapters you read according to you see the videos, so that it will be very helpful for you. So if you are not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, because I am going to provide all the videos of this one history, Indian history, Indian polity, Indian economics, Indian geography, and science and technology. All the questions of Lucent book I am providing, and this is the very standard book. So many examiners, they will copy directly from this book. Okay, and next video we will do from the Maurya period. Okay, please subscribe my channel.